Now you can see we've got something bent. Well, it appears to be bent. This all looks straight. If I draw a line down the middle of the frame, everything looks straight except for the wheel. Now, the bearings are really bad, and it might be missing a spacer over here. Not sure. So we're going to go ahead and take this rear wheel off. Now we plugged off this oil tank, and we're going to take it out. Now I'm not for certain if I'm going to reuse this, because just like in the two-stroke dirt bikes, these oil injection systems are known to fail. It's just as easy to mix your oil and gas, but we will see. Might be easier to take that, I think it is, to take that fender off first. We're going to take the fender off. All right, so I think this is going to do it for part one. I wanted to tear it down a little bit further. A couple reasons why. I got to get up early. Head to Fort Wayne in the morning. So, you know, I'm about an hour and a half into this. Maybe not even that. Probably more like 35 minutes. But I want to power wash what we have here. I want to be able to still roll it on the front wheel. Take it out, power wash it, and it's raining right now, so I'm not going to do that. And once we get it power washed, we'll go a little bit further. I may fit up some things. I want to see what's wrong with that rear wheel. I think once I clean it up real nice, it'll have some patina. There's some rust spots, but not much rust. It's just really dirty. Now the fenders, we'll decide there. Handlebars, of course, those are pretty well shot. But the actual frame itself, I think I'm going to leave it the silver bullet color. And maybe I'll paint the other little tins where your feet go. I don't know, little covers. I am going to remove the rear pegs. They're not needed. They're in bad shape, and I'm not going to replace them. I'll just take them off. They bolt to the shocks, so at least that's what it looks like. So that's going to wrap it up for this one. Look for the next video here soon, hopefully. We're going to power wash it, see what we've got left there. I don't know if I mentioned the inside of the tank is clean. The seller mentioned that. I stuck my phone in there and a scope, and it's very clean. I still may put some vinegar in there just to make sure it's even more clean. And hopefully we have this bad boy running. Now, this is the first day, but I have been looking for parts, and they're very hard to come by. So I probably should have looked at that before I got this, but I was kind of excited for a new project. So we may have a little bit of a challenge finding parts for this, but we will have to see. We'll make it work no matter what. Fun little toy. Don't know if I'm going to go to the 70cc route. I don't really want to put more than a couple $100s into this. Maybe have $400 or $500 total at the end of the day, you know, with the purchase price of the moped. But hey, sometimes we get carried away on this channel. So, well, not on this channel, but I get carried away. So, it's going to do it for this one. If you have any questions or comments, post those below. If you haven't already done so, subscribe. We'll try to post more videos, getting back into this. And as always, thanks for watching.